วัสดีค่ะ My name is Ashi and welcome to Local Thai Kitchen, the program that will bring you to learn real Thai cooking with real Thai locals. Because for us Thai, the most delicious Thai food is what made at home by our mom, our grandma, or on the street food. Nang Loeng Century Old Market is located in the center of Bangkok Old Town area. It's a heaven of delicious local Thai food and dessert from traditional recipes. In the past, this area is also a hub of Thai entertainment. And today we are going to learn how to cook Pad Thai street food style with Pi Miu, who's also once taught Jamie Lannister from Game of Thrones. Are you ready to learn with me? If yes, come on!
สวัสดีค่ะ
สบายดีไหมคะพี่
สบายดีค่ะชี
แล้วพี่หมิวขายอะไรบ้างคะเนี่ย
วันนี้ขายอาหารตามสั่งส้มตำแล้วก็ผัดไทยค่ะ
โอ้น่ากินมากเลยค่ะแล้วก็ร้านพี่หมิวเนี่ยเปิดมากี่ปีแล้วเอ่ย
ถ้าตั้งแต่รุ่นย่าปู่ย่าตายายก็ 30-40 ปีขึ้นไปแล้วค่ะ
โอ้ก่อนอาชีเกิดเอง
ใช่ค่ะ
แล้ววันนี้เราจะทำอะไรกันคะ
วันนี้จะมาสอนทำผัดไทยค่ะเป็นสูตรแบบสูตรลับของครอบครัว
โอ้สูตรที่ทำที่กันเองกับที่บ้าน
ใช่ค่ะ
โอ้ยหิวมากอยากกินค่ะ
จัดไปเลยค่ะ
ได้เลย Are you guys ready to come and learn how to cook the real Pad Thai with our mega star street food mama พี่มิว If yes let's do it Yay So now we're preparing the Pad Thai ingredient. So first, what do we start with?
เราเริ่มจากเอาเส้นนะคะลงไปแช่สัก10 นาที
So the most important one is the Pad Thai noodle. So we use here Jan Pad Thai noodle because it gives the thick and juicy, you know, like the rice texture when you do the stir fry. So we soak it in the water right here for about 10 minutes.
ต่อไปก็เต้าหู้
So next we cutting the tofu. So I'm gonna steal Pi Miu tofu for you to show. So this is the type of tofu that is yellow outside and inside is white. So you can find local supermarket or in Chinatown also. So she's slicing it about 2 centimeters.
ก็ใบกุ้ยช่าย
Next is the Chinese chive. Cut, chop the same size, more or less the same as the tofu, about 2 centimeters. Finish. And then the next one. So next is the meat one. So this one we use shrimp. So you can use any kind of shrimp, right? So you can use shrimp or beef or pork or chicken. So you take the shell off and then you slide in the middle part of the shrimp to take the shrimp poo-poo out. So that you know the part like when you do the stir fry, the shrimp will blossom. So now we are making the Pad Thai sauce, which is one of the most critical and important when you're making Pad Thai. You have to make sure that you get the right Pad Thai sauce. Yeah. So first we're gonna start with เริ่มอะไรก่อนดีคะ
เริ่มจากเอา
So we're gonna use this tamarins and soaking in water.
แล้วก็
นานไหม
คั้นเอาให้มันเป็นให้มันแบบให้เข้าเนื้อกัน
Until you blend it in the water, get the juice out. So scoop it in the pot.
ปลา
เท่าไหร่เอ่ย
ปลา50 มิลลิกรัม
So this is fish sauce, about 50 milligram. Yeah.
คนกัน
And then you stir and mix it together until it well blend. Until the palm sugar blend in with the water and the tamarind. So start off with the high heat and then later on, you know, when it's like bubbling up, you can turn it down. Ah! This smells so good. หอมมากๆเลยพี่หมิว I wish you guys are here with me right now. You can smell all the tamarind and the palm sugar. Oh, my nose is like happy. So now it's a fun time. We're gonna make Pad Thai. Are you ready? พร้อมยังคะ Yeah, let's do it. Okay, เริ่มอะไรก่อนดีคะ So in the Thai style, we use this type of pan, yeah, with the button like this, and the more delicious, the darker the button is, yeah. อันนี้ไฟแรงใช่ไหมคะ So put on the high heat first. So first we put in vegetable oil. So we put the shrimp in first เอากี่ตัว
3 ค่ะ
So 3 shrimps, but if you want to add more, it's up to your choice. So no need to make it well done. So it's just roughly about like 80% before it's fully done, fully orange, yeah? So that, because later on we have to add with the noodle so that it's not too thick. So pimu, another secret is to add in the whole shrimp, like with the shrimp head, so that the oil and the juicy from the shrimp head will add in the dish. So now we set aside the shrimp. And then next, the yellow tofu. About 1 handful of the tofu. Add it in. But if you want to add more, it's up to you. And then you add it in the jan noodle that you soak in for 10 minutes. So put it in the pan. And then add about, เท่าไหร่คะ
ใส่ไป2 ช้อนเนี่ย
So 2 tablespoons of the sauce that you make.
คลุกไปให้จนน้ำ
So stir until the juice.
ให้เส้นมันดูดน้ำเข้าไป
Yeah. So until the juice like right into the noodle. So when it's more dry, so we can add more things. Yeah. So next is turnip. Add it in. So 1 tablespoon turnips, 1 tablespoon of the grind peanut, and also dry shrimp, 1 tablespoon, and stir it, mix it well together. And if it's too high, you can put down the heat unto medium. So set aside the noodle. You can add more oil here. อันนี้ใส่ไข่ใช่ปะ So the oil is for adding the egg. So อันนี้เป็นไข่ไก่เนาะ So we use chicken egg. So break the egg. And then when it's a bit almost done, you put in the noodle in the egg. And then you add the bean sprout and the Chinese chives. And last top bit is the shrimp that you made earlier. Looks so delicious. I'm so ready to eat. Wow. So voila! This is Pad Thai by Pimu street food style. So we can do the decoration with the chive and the bean sprouts. And a little bit of grind peanuts. And chop some lamb on the side. Voila! Finished! Looks so delicious! I have to excuse myself because I really cannot deny this temptation. กินนะคะ
อะไรค่ะ
Oh my gosh! อร่อยมากๆ So delicious! I wish you can eat with me right now, yeah? But you have to make your own. I'll come learn with Pimu here at Nang Loeng Community. Yay! Do you enjoy watching our local street food pad Thai with Pimu today? If yes, the full recipe are at the link below. Thanks for watching!
Please subscribe for more menu ขอบคุณค่ะ